Choctahatchee Bay. Coastal waters from Destin to Pensacola, Florida, 20 nautical miles. Pensacola Bay area. Waters from Destin to Pensacola, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Until 8:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:27 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts, winds to nearly 50 knots, and large hail. These storms were located along a line extending from near Fort Pickens to 10 nautical miles west of Okaloosa Deepwater Reef, moving northeast at 70 knots. Locations impacted include East Pass at Destin, Blackwater Bay Bridge, Navarre Beach, Mariester, Highway 331 Bridge, Midway Bridge, Fort Walton Beach, East Bay, Pensacola Bay and Garson Point Bridge. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for northwestern Florida and the adjacent coastal waters.